can register online as a user on the Oz Tender website. So free registration. What you need to do is go to tenders.gov.au because we actually need to know you're out there. Okay. So in the first instance, we need you to go online and we need to register. So once you've registered, what the site automatically does is it matches business opportunities with the areas of interest that you have identified, and obviously based on the profile of your business. What then happens is we'll actually send you email notifications when opportunities are advertised. So you do need to go on and register though. That's the most important thing. We also have the Selling to Government website. Now, you go to sellingtogov.finance.gov.au, and what this will do is it provides information and support for businesses to better understand, I've got something really great. I'd like to sell it to government, but how do I do it? If you go to Selling to Government website, it will take you through what you need to do, and it will assist you in identifying opportunities.